Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to how can we turn off phone location setting as you want to off in your lava phone. So then how can you off it? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting, then I scroll it. As you can see guys, your phone location setting, friends, tap here. As you can see guys, use location setting guys, you want to or you can off from here. After of guys, you cannot use guys your location setting. So we will click on this location off. So you can see the setting will not work. You can see location is off. So like that guys, you want to turn off your location in your lava phone, so you can off it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching. Can you have any doubt related to guys your lava phone setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. Bye friends, thanks for watching.